Tepok kayo, we allow our DPWH doon sa Benguet, Tepok, sorry na lang kayo. My gosh, what was that? Pero kung natin sa Boracay, sasara natin yan. Para mga mayayaman na pupunta niya, safe. Ganun ba yun?
No, I think, Mr. President, they did that to Boracay because Boracay is the pride of the Philippines and they don't want it to deteriorate and it should remain the
Let me
pride.
go back to history lesson. Number 1. What was the summer capital of the Philippines once upon a time?
Can I read the presidential decree? RA. This is RA.
President, there is such a decree. I promise you, I will laugh a lot tonight.
Our Republic Act number 8963 passed in September 9, 2000, exempting Baguio and Cebu.
From?
An act excluding from the Baguio Town South Reservation and from operation of Proclamation number 10 dated February 9, 1924.